In this example video, we will review perimeter and area of a figure. One quick note is that perimeter references the distance around the exterior of a figure, and its units are linear. So it'd be the distance around, and it's just units or centimeters. It's not squared or anything like that. The units are linear. The area is the number of square units that would need to fill up a region, and as such, those units are units squared. So let's go ahead and apply it. It says read the math notes box for this lesson, which we just did, and then we're gonna find out which equation represents the fact that the perimeter would be 120 centimeters. Now, in this rectangle, we might be tempted to say that it's just 6x minus 1 plus the 2x plus 5, but you have to remember this is the top and bottom, and then the left and the right are also the same, so I actually need to double each of those and set them equal to 120. So then I would go ahead and solve that equation. First step would be to go ahead and distribute the 2's. And then I would just need to combine like terms and solve for x. Once I figure out what x is, I can go back and find the dimensions and verify that the perimeter is in fact 120, and then also find the area. Let's look at another one here. It says, what is the perimeter in terms of x? In other words, find the perimeter. So I'm going to go through, I know the bottom would also have to be 2x, and the left side will also have to be x plus 3. Now the perimeter in terms of x, I'm just going to write this as an expression. I would combine all of my x's and combine all of my constant terms, so that'd be 2, 4, 5, 6x. Plus 6 is my constant term. So that would be the perimeter of this shape. And then I would know if the perimeter is 78, I can set up an equation to solve. So I would do 6x plus 6 equals 78, and then subtract the 6, and then divide by 6 to isolate the x. Once I have x, I can go back and plug that into the 2x and the x plus 3 to find the dimensions of the rectangle. And then once I have the dimensions, I can verify that the area of the rectangle is in fact 360.